I'm Merideth with XT, and in this video, I'm going over a wheel and tire setup of 17 by 9 inch wheels and 37 by 12.5 inch tires on a 2 and 4 door Sport Sahara and Rubicon JL with a 3.5 inch lift kit. In this video, I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. The combination of 17 by 9 inch wheels and 37 by 12.5 inch tires is a very popular setup with owners that have a JL with 3.5 inches of lift installed, as you can see from pictures provided by our JL owners. Now, customers with this setup are driving a mix of on and off-road. With this setup, it will give you a much more aggressive stance with taller and slightly wider tires inside the fender well and provide you with more capability when driving in off-road situations. This wheel and tire combo will fit all Sahara and Rubicon JLs that have a 3.5 inch lift kit without needing to do any major modifications. Now, Sport and Sport S owners will need to remove the front splash guard to avoid any rubbing from the larger tires. Now, once the splash guard is removed, you will have no rubbing issues. Now, driving wise, this setup is good for both on and off-road driving. With this setup, you'll be free from any rubbing on the suspension components and even on the stock front bumper. Now, stock Rubicons do have a slightly higher suspension with a taller fender, so you can expect a little bit more clearance there. For off-road driving, this setup will be great and give your JL plenty of clearance. Your JL will be free from any rubbing while driving on trails and while articulating while rock crawling. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind when you're upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 37 inch tire. And when you're driving on road, the ride will feel a little bit more sluggish compared to the stock tires. Also, at 60 miles per hour, your speed will read about 10 miles per hour slower than your actual speed because of the switch to the larger tires. That's not a big deal, and most Jeep owners just keep this in mind while they're driving. This can, however, be easily corrected with a speed calibrator or a tune for your Jeep, which you can also find right here on our site. We also do recommend an alignment after you've installed your new wheels and tires. Now, if you do purchase a set of wheels and tires from ExtremeTerrain, we do make it incredibly easy to get these on your JL. On our wheel and tire package pages, we have setups that you can have very easily mounted, balanced, and shipped right to you. You can also choose to have TPMS sensors installed in the wheels and tires. Now, TPMS stands for Tire Pressure Monitoring System and alerts you when your tire pressure is low. If your JL stock tires came equipped with TPMS sensors from the factory, you will need to pick up a set of these for your new wheels and tires. Otherwise, you may see a warning light on your dash. Then you just have to have a jack and a lug wrench for install, and you'll have these on in no time. And if you have any questions about this setup for your JL, you can call our customer service number and speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Again, this setup of 17 by 9 inch wheels and 37 by 12.5 inch tires on a 2 and 4 door Sport Sahara and Rubicon JL with a 3.5 inch lift kit is a very popular setup with our customers and will give your JL a more aggressive look with taller and wider tires compared to the stock. Also, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this and tons of other product review and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.